Hey everybody, Justin from Twisted Remedies. I'm going to start doing some unboxing and product reviews of stuff that I use or out in my kind of garage training space. And today is this Polar Dive chiller. So I'm in Vermont. My plunge from November to April is plenty cold, but in the summer it's tough making ice and keeping up with the temperature to get that down low. So broke down and bought a chiller. Polar Dive had a good deal. I like this one because it has a filter. So we'll unbox it, see what's in here, talk about it a little bit. There'll be another video of me probably installing it because it's going to change a little bit of the plumbing in my plunge, and then I'll do a video in a little bit with a review. So here we go. Let's see what's in this thing. There are the cursory instructions on the side, user manual. So I don't usually look at that stuff. If we need to, we'll take a peek. But all right, this will all be fast forwarded, so you don't have to watch me cut the tape. Always cut away from the body for you kids out there using knives. All right, what do we got in here? Some, looks like some Teflon tape, I would guess, with Chinese writing on it. So that's exciting. Power cord. Another user manual. Got some, now see this I like. There's some threaded, we got some, this is the piping to get it going. This looks pretty solid. It's insulated. I like that. It's 5/8. And like I said, there's threaded ends on it. A couple of those. And there is the chiller. So just looking at this, everything's labeled real well. We have water out, water in, power button, power cord, some info, a couple of solid looking fans to keep the thing cool. That's going to be something I have to consider when I put this in the plunge cavity where it's going to go, the motor cavity, because I need to make sure it's vented properly. I've got a plan for that. Some solid machine screws, more venting on that side and this side. That's what I like about this one. It's got a filter, built-in filter. This is all metal, good aluminum housing. Here's the front. So that's what's in the box. So as I'm unpacking this, this was wrapped in pretty sturdy plastic, so that took a second. But this has some really good way of securing the hoses on the back of the plunge. If you look at it, you take this, these flip forward, you slide it on, and then you basically lock in place by squeezing these tight, and that's going to give it a good solid. I like that because that means it's not just going to pop off and spray water everywhere. So yeah, I just wanted to highlight these. These are pretty solid and pretty sturdy. So far, so good with Polar Dive. Again, Polar Dive, I'm going to be installing this sometime in the next week or so, and we'll see. It's got good reviews from what I read. This one was on sale, so it was a good deal, and I'll report back and let you know what I think. Thanks for tuning in.